Hello everyone and welcome again. In this video I'm going to show you how to configure some settings in the Pearson MyLab IT in order to get going. So this already assumes that you have access to the tool and are now ready to start using it in the course. One of the things you're going to want to do before you use the Pearson tool is configure your browser to make sure that the Pearson addresses are whitelisted. So there is a website here that shows which domains you're going to have to whitelist in order to make sure that you're able to access everything that you need. I'll go ahead and put this address in the description box so that you can get access to these and copy and paste them if needed. In order to do that, so I'm using Chrome and recommend that you do use Chrome. If you have Safari, there's also going to be a way to do this there, but essentially what you're going to want to do is go to a place where you can configure things in your browser. Go to privacy and security and then pop-ups and redirects. And what you're going to have to do is add all of the domains listed. So you can do that there. This will just make sure that you don't run into any trouble. So additionally, the link that I'm giving you from the Pearson site actually has a wizard. So I can click to start the wizard and indicate that perhaps I have Safari or I'm using Chrome or Firefox, and it will show you how to navigate different errors that might occur every once in a while when you're using Pearson. So I'm going to go ahead and click on MyLab and Mastering course home, but really any link will get you into your course. Mine will look a little bit different than yours because it is the instructor version, but essentially a couple things that you'll need to do to get started. So understand that the tool is configured for East Coast time. So one of the things that you're going to want to do is first change that. So there should be a link to getting started, and these instructions are on Blackboard as well. Once you click on getting started, this will come up, but it'll say student. So go ahead and go to the time zone setup first. And depending upon where you are, if you're not in Central Time, then obviously set it to whatever time zone that you're in. I am on Central Time, so I'm making sure that I have that. So in this course, even though we may not be in the same location, because it is online asynchronous, just realize that the deadlines are via Central Time. So, and I'll be making appointments in Central Time. You can go ahead and hit save and then hit the X to get out of it. Some other little touchy things about the Pearson MyLab are that occasionally you'll need to clear your cache in case something gets funky. So if you see some kind of strange error, that could be one of the things that needs to be done. So essentially, if you are trying to get into MyLab IT and it's just not working or getting some weird error, feel free to let me know. There are a couple of troubleshooting techniques. At this point, you should have Pearson MyLab IT successfully configured in order to use it to complete the assessments for this course. If you have questions, please let me know.